In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a Google Sheet as an image. So if you have a Google Sheet and you want to save it as a PNG or a JPEG, I'm going to show you two different ways that we can go to do this. Now, the first and the most obvious method is we can just take a screenshot of the entire sheet. So you can open up your start menu. You can then search for something like snipping tool and click on this. Click on new in the top left hand side. You can then go and select the area that you want to take a photo of. Once you've selected your area, you can see this will take a photo. You can then right click on this and click on save as. And as you can see, we can now save this as an image format. Now there's also a second way to do this as well. So if you click on file in the top left hand side, you can then click on download and then select PDF. You can then press export in the top right hand side. Now once you have this exported as a PDF document, all you need to do is open up an internet browser and type in PDF to JPEG and press enter. You can then click on any of these free online converters. I'm just going to use this top one, ilovepdf.com. You can then click the select PDF file, go and upload that PDF document that we just downloaded, and as you can see, this will convert it into a JPEG image. So select page to JPEG, select your image quality and then press convert to JPEG. Now that should begin downloading straight away, otherwise you can click on download JPEG images. You can then click on your downloads folder, and inside of this folder we'll find all of the images from our Google document. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.